Hi and welcome to Dee Blooms. So this video is a new orchid haul video from HC Orchids. So I'm really excited about this order. So let's take a look. Got 1, 2, and 3. Just double checking. Okay. Sorry for my messy repotting area. So I've never ordered from HC Orchids, and I went on their site to look at some stuff and found some things that I was really interested in. And the first one here is a beautiful schilleriana. This is schilleriana Alice's Dream crossed with Phal schilleriana red stripe. The moss is dry, so it's going to need a drink. Look at those beautiful purple undersides. That's gorgeous. So I'll give this one a good drink. One. I like these little sleeves. The next one here. Ooh, it's spike. Another Phalaenopsis. All three of these are Phalaenopsis. This is I don't think this is what I ordered. It says it's Phal, Cesario, Jean, Tobia, Jiaho, Lyme. I've never heard of that in my life. I don't know what that is, so I'm not sure if they sent me the wrong orchid. Well, maybe this is the right orchid, but the wrong tag. What did I order? I have to look that up. I'll have to put it down on the screen to show you guys what I actually ordered. And then the third and last one is another schilleriana that I could not resist. Look at those leaves. They're saying this is a schilleriana. And this one is called Phal schilleriana Sliver Moonlight. Yes, Sliver Moonlight. Look at that. Like, how can I not have a schilleriana that has leaves like this for my schilleriana little collection that I have in the corner here in the front grow room? Isn't that exciting? Alright, so I got 2 new schillerianas for my schilleriana collection. They look great. And then I've got one that may or may not be the one that I ordered. So again, it's either the wrong tag or it's the right tag with the right plant. Or so. Wrong tag, right plant. Wrong tag, wrong plant. Well, that'll be interesting. So that's my quick haul. So I like their packaging. The condition of the orchids are looking really good. The stems, they all have, looks like some good roots in here. Very thirsty. With Phalaenopsis, when I get new ones, I really scrutinize how the stems are, the leaf growth, the crown. The roots, again, another very thirsty one. And even though I'm not sure what this is, looks like a good stem, a good crown. It's wonderful. It's in spike and gorgeous roots. A little more plump than these other ones. So I'm going to get these guys soaking. To get them started here. I like to use these inner pots to stabilize the orchid a little better. Oh, excuse me. Especially ones that are a bit wobbly, so let the moss do its magic. I don't know what this one really needs. Oh, yeah, looks like it needs a stabilizer here. So many pots. They're so dirty. Oh well. So let those get a good watering. So thanks for joining me on this orchid haul, and I think they sell some beautiful orchids, so yay! I'm excited to have these in my collection. Hope to see you in the next video.